is on the back of the 1,000 crore rights issue that the company informed the exchanges about, and the issue price has been fixed at 12.5 rupees per share versus 27 rupees per share. That's where the stock is trading currently. Now the rights entitlement ratio will be in the ratio of 277 is to 630. So for every 630 shares that you hold, you will be eligible to claim rights of about 277 shares. The record date for the same has been fixed as the 5th of December, and the rights issue will open on 12th and will close on the 22nd of December. But let's also put the spotlight on management commentary, because the outlook for the next few years continues to remain very positive. First up, for FY27, management is targeting 15 to 20% revenue growth, and for years after 27, they are penciling in 20 to 25% CAGR growth. So clearly, management outlook when it comes to top line growth is very positive. They've also spoken about margins which are sustainable going forward. I remember they reported margins in the range of 13 to 15% in the previous quarter, which the management says will sustain going forward as well. They also see a lot of opportunity within the nuclear segment. In fact, they have in their latest release said that they see 10,000 crore annual market potential within the nuclear segment. They're also focusing on deleveraging. They've reduced a lot of debt over the last few quarters, and they're looking to become net debt-free company going forward. So very robust pipeline. Order book is very strong. Management outlook continues to remain very positive, especially when it comes to margin sustainability and revenue growth. But yes, for today it is on the back of the rights issue which the company has announced, and it will be open for subscription on the 12th of December.